de tati kwa ude mahaga plata sini abu kuita no yato ni te kluba ho to no ya yekdoro ni te kela mi wini do yekle wada lo tati kwa la mera criminal background check la ti kwa na yes no tati kwa pa no hutani ke sele tati kwa pa 1800s to toko ya ni pa do pay ni tati kwa ko weda nui plala bakha do ta ke tho tala ko se pu pu phela to toko ya ni ato pu ni lo Question 71. What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803? Pe tukutoko ya thoni ko se pu pu loko wo phela de kala ko frasia ole Answer. The Louisiana Territory, Louisiana Local War. Question 72. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s. Kotota du de kala kosa po du pe ni du toho ya de pabu. Answer. War of 1812. Mexican-American War, Civil War, Spanish-American War. Toho ya de sikita du, wa Mexica, America pota du, Tiloka pota du, wa Spain, America pota du, Dota tikwa we in huta da sisa terpla uthilo. Question 73. Name the U.S. war between the North and the South. Kotaka sapota du kala kaliso dog litia basa. Answer. The Civil War. The war between the states. Tilaka butadu, tadilaka serpa basa, dota tikwa weini nesisa terpla uthilo. Question 74. Name one problem that led to the Civil War. Kototagi got kala adu uta tilaka butadu. Answer. Slavery, economic reasons, states' rights. Kudnu, muglowe kwaho, koseta kwetaya, dota tikwa wain hutata sisa terpla uthilo. Question 75. What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did? Tari dut mila Abraham Lincoln mani mimnile. Answer. Free the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation. Matableta Gurpa. Question 76. What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? Da matableta liboba matamnile. Answer. Free the slaves. Matableta Gurpa. Question 77. What did Susan B. Anthony do? Susan B. Anthony Mamnile. Answer. Fought for women's rights. Dutala pomuta kweta yago. Okay, ni pagisele wadata tikwa thought kula miweda recent American history and other important historical information. Paka America tasiso do tagi ridu baka tasiso do paini tatikwa sisa weda kela plotisilo. Question 78. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s. Kutota did kala kosa po du pe to kwikiani de pabu. Answer. World War I, World War II, Korean War, Vietnam War, Persian Gulf War. Hakota du de, Hakota du ki, Korea ta du, Vietnam ta du, Persia pola glota du. Question 79. Who was president during World War I? Matakeko kupe Hakota du de kanile. Answer. Woodrow Wilson. Question 80. Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II? Matakeko kupe tika muklowe kwa hawa sagato do Hakota du ki agatole. Answer. Franklin Roosevelt. Question 81. Who did the United States fight in World War II? Kosa po du do matape Hakota du ki nile. Answer: Japan, Germany, and Italy. Question 82. Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in? Eisenhower mitu kodotuga tuklila ketodi kokubanilo awepakula di peletakale. Answer: World War II. Hakota Diki. Question 83. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? Pelota duku akani kosapuata bayo kuthi mimnile. Answer: Communism. Communism. Question 84. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? Tahutage pellet color, glazaputiki, gluduta no palutale. Answer: Civil Rights Movement. Chipoka pokweya tahutage. Question 85. What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? Martin Luther King Jr. Madam Nile. Answer: Fought for civil rights. Ditala Chipoka pokweya go. Question 86. What major events happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? Per September Tisita, Kito Dani, Damnuketa Dudumumula, Kosaponile. Answer: Terrorists attacked the United States. Wamaplo Magota du Kosapo. Question 87. Name one American Indian tribe in the United States. Yato America Tulipot du Amidiki. Answer: Cherokee. Dota Tikwaweni Nata Sisane Ueda Blue Plur Bamnuhula America Tuliponi Dithora Pagnopola Du Ueda Ama Basada Yuhutani Thuta Sisa Terpla Onila. Doke Nevita Tikwa the Sinupla Niwili, Dota Tikwa Sisa Uti the Sithapla Yuset Dorani to Chemisi, Ahuita Suko Labatiki, Tablico Adela.